I'm so excited about this reverse osmosis countertop system. I live in an area with really hard water, so it tastes awful. So I have been so looking forward to getting one of these. I love that it came nicely packaged, super securely in this nice wrap. This machine has a water dispenser that pours into this glass jug. You'll find all the parts and accessories packed inside the water tank area, including the instruction manual. After washing the water tank and the jug, you can start assembling, starting with this lid part of the jug. First you put on the filter, then the lid, and then you insert this pour spout lid onto the jug. Then you can fill your water tank with water, making sure not to go above that max line. I love that it has a handle inside the water tank so you can easily lift it and insert it right onto the machine. Making sure the lid is secure first. It slides right on super smoothly, clicks right into place. Then you want to put the water catcher in its spot in this corner and plug in the machine. This will automatically turn the machine on once it's plugged in. Now that it's on and ready to go, all you have to do to use it is insert the water jug and it will automatically start filling with water. I love this technology, it's so cool. The water runs from the tank through the filter and into this jug, and when you're done, you can pull the jug away and it'll automatically stop filling with water. I can instantly use this water to drink or to pour into some hot cocoa like I'm doing here. I love the convenience of having just a nice jug of water that's purified, clean, and so good. This is seriously life-changing. I also love that you can manually fill the jug as well without the lid on. If you just press the little water drop button on the top, it will start pouring water into the jug, and then you press it again to turn it off. I love that you can manually do this, or as I mentioned before, just slide it on with the lid attached and it will automatically start filling with water and stop at 40 ounces.